Hey guys, so really quick, I'm just going to share with you the packaging that I received from this company. It's called TinasheHair, and I will have all of the information down below in the description box. So as you can see, my package came via FedEx, and it was rather quick. I believe I got it in like 2 days. So I did receive 3 bundles. I will have all the specs again down below in the description box because I really don't remember what I got. But yeah, so as you guys are going to see in a minute, you do get that nice zipper package. And to my surprise, when I opened it up and I saw the brochure, I saw a picture of me from the last time that I reviewed from them. And oh my God, I was so excited, as you guys can see. Yeah, so that was a plus. So if you guys receive this hair, or if you buy this hair, you will have a brochure, and I will be on the back of that brochure, and it basically just tells you, you know, what hair they have available, if my camera will focus, and how to take care of your hair. So I also received a mirror that I did drop, but I didn't break it. Really nice mirror, like a double mirror. I don't want to blind you guys with it, but yeah, I did receive that. And so let's get into this review. So again, I did receive 3 bundles, and this is Peruvian Loose Deep. I believe the frontal is 18 inches, and the bundles themselves are, I believe the inches were 20, 22, and 24. And what I like the most about this hair is what you see is what you get. You do get a lot of hair. I was kind of worried when I was making the wig because I thought that I was running out of hair, but I did use each and every last bundle, you guys. I used all 3 bundles. I did not spare anything. And yeah, the wig came out absolutely beautiful. So fast forward to a few days later, and this is what the wig looks like. I did construct it on a spandex dome cap, as I do all of my wigs. To me, it just fits better. So this is just the wig before I even cut the spandex part out. Of course, I didn't cut the lace yet, but you guys will see that in the next clip. So as you guys saw in the last clip, the wig was rather dense in the front. So all I did was just, you know, pin the hair back, get those baby hairs out of my way. I cut off the lace while it was on my head. I just find it easier to do it that way. If you guys do that, just remember to not cut your own actual baby hairs because you will be upset. So just be really careful. So I did have to adhere this wig to my head, even though it was rather snug. And I did go in and pluck, you know, not a lot of hairs out of the front, but just enough to make it, you know, not so dense. So I really didn't have to do much to this wig, but the method that I used to adhere it to my head, I used the Gossipy Glue Free Spray and my, you know, rat tail comb and my blow dryer. And what I find to be easier is if you do one side at a time, your wig will come out flawless. So that's what you guys are seeing me do here. I just did one side at a time, and I didn't have to put a lot of freeze spray on my hair. And right now, it's still on my head, and it's really good. Like, it's holding really well. So once I figured out what side I wanted my part on, I went ahead and plucked that parting space just a little bit, just to open it up a little more. Then I went in with my Irresistible Me curling wand. You guys know this is what I use to flatten out the parting space to make it look more realistic and not so, you know, humpy, if that's a word. But yeah, I did go ahead and cut those baby hairs down. And I also went in with my foundation powder. I used the MAC foundation. I'll leave it down below in the description box, you guys, in case you want to know. But it does match my skin tone, and I just went in around the perimeter of my hair again to make that look more realistic as well. I did go in with a mascara wand. Actually, it's called a spoolie. And I use my edge control just for those edges. I usually don't do the baby hair thing anymore, but for this particular wig, I figured it would look a little nice, you know. So I'm not an expert on baby hairs. I really don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I just figured I'd do something to make it look nice. So I think it came out well. Let me know down below in the description box. Well, sorry, in the comment section if you think it came out nice. And I wanted to see how it curled, and I also wanted my curls to go in a different direction. I didn't want it going to the front, so I just curled them going towards the back. And as you can see, this hair holds a very nice curl. I didn't even have the curling wand on that long, and as you can see, it's really curly. It's still curly to this day. I haven't, you know, used anything, no kind of products in it since. I did go in with some oils, but just to make it look a little more shiny. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I absolutely love the way this wig came out. If you like it, don't forget to hit thumbs up on the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.